the shining world of metals. It was a bright Monday morning when Mr. Bayo, the basic technology teacher, took his JSS2 class to the school's mini workshop. Everyone was excited because they had just started learning about metals. "Today," said Mr. Bayo, smiling, "you'll discover how important metals are in our world." He pointed around the workshop at the metal hammer, iron rods, and aluminium sheets shining under the light. "All these," he said, "are made of metals, strong materials we use to build, shape, and create things." Hassan raised his hand. "Sir, are all metals the same?" Mr. Bayo replied. "Good question. Metals come in different types and each has its own property and uses. Let's find out." The students gathered around the table as Mr. Bayo brought out 3 boxes labeled ferrous, non-ferrous, and alloys. 1. Ferrous metals, he explained, contain iron. He showed them a piece of steel and cast iron. These are strong but can rust when exposed to air and moisture. 2. Non-ferrous metals, he continued, do not contain iron. He held up a piece of aluminium, copper, and zinc. They don't rust easily and are lighter. That's why airplanes are made from aluminium. 3. Lastly, he opened the alloyed box. Alloys, he said, are mixtures of 2 or more metals to improve their strength or resistance to rust. He showed them brass, copper plus zinc, and bronze, copper plus tin. "Now," said Mr. Bayo, "let's test the properties of metals." He gave each group a small piece of metal to observe. Together, they discovered metals are strong. They can bear heavy loads. Metals are malleable. They can be beaten into thin sheets. Metals are ductile. They can be drawn into wires. Metals are good conductors. They allow heat and electricity to pass through. Metals are shiny. They have luster. Some metals rust like iron when not protected. Every property, said Mr. Bayo, helps us decide how to use a metal. For example, copper is used for wires because it conducts electricity, while aluminium is used for roofing because it doesn't rust. Before leaving the workshop, Mr. Bayo asked, "So who can tell me what they learned today?" Aisha raised up her hand proudly. "Sir, I learned that not all metals are the same. Some rust, some don't, some are strong and some are light." Hassan added, "And alloys are mixtures that make metals better." Mr. Bayo smiled. "Excellent! Metals build our homes, vehicles, and machines. Understanding them helps us create and maintain a better world." As they walked back to class, the students looked around the school compound. Gates, chairs, roofing sheets, and even doors handles, and now they could see metals everywhere.